trying to make us dislike each other.
Yeah.
Devil and fire bond, that's what I say every day. Devil and fire bond. Because there are spirits that we can't see that deceive the masses. The kingdom of darkness, from the kingdom of darkness. Yeah, we're gonna have our kind of church here tonight. Yeah, we have spirits from the kingdom of darkness. The minute you decide you're gonna be negative for a prolonged time. I mean, everything is here for a reason, negative and positive, but for a prolonged time, it's not good for you. And then these lingering spirits enter and make you do other things. And so, everything that is going on to the world, I blame it on them. So I fireburn them without apology. They come at me hard enough.